Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. We're up to Vlogmas number 8. It's like 3 o'clock right now. I'm starting the vlog super late. We had a really lazy Sunday. I'll put in a clip right now of my breakfast. We just had our generic breakfast, which if you guys have followed the weekly Liv videos, you would have seen it a million times. It's basically just a bun with egg, bacon and halloumi cheese. Sometimes we do ciabatta, sometimes we do baps, but today we did baps because tomorrow we want to have burgers, so may as well just get buns that we can use again. Right now I'm headed to Kmart before our family Christmas. Okay, so normally we have Christmas on Christmas. This year we're having Christmas on Christmas, plus we're having this, which is like our Gilmer family Christmas, which is my mum's maiden name, which is also the rest of my family's, whatever, who cares? Because our uncle is over from Australia with his kids, so we're doing like a mini Christmas today, and then we're doing proper Christmas on Christmas. So it's like a mini Christmas today, so I thought I would take you guys along. Of course, as soon as I get in the car and turn on my camera, my battery starts to flash with like a red light. So I do have my phone to also film on, but right now we're going to go to Kmart because I need to pick up a present for Secret Santa. We're doing some people call it Dirty Santa or Dirty Secret Santa, where it's like you steal presents. So it's just like the adults that are doing that, and we're mostly all adults now. So just like my uncles, the uncle that's over, his kids are the only ones that are still like kids, and some of them are like in their teens. I need to go buy a $20 gift. So I thought I'd go to Kmart. I'm either gonna get like a candle or just like a joke present, or a candle and a joke present. I don't want to spend over $20 because can you guys just agree with me that there's nothing worse in life than that person who overdoes Secret Santa and you're just like, we agreed on a value, so stick to the value, because then everybody's going to want that present and it's just not okay. So I'm heading there now and then I'm going straight to my mum's and I'm going to wrap it with her wrapping paper. And yeah, I'm better hop off the vlog before my camera dies. But really quickly, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for your positive feedback and your love on my second to last vlog, which was the one that was very emotional. You guys all just made my day. I'm so much better today. I was a lot better yesterday, but still not 100%, which is why yesterday's vlog was really short. But today I'm just feeling so much better. I've had a lot more rest. I have woken up with headaches again on the weekends, but I think what it is I have caffeine withdrawals on the weekends because I don't have a pre-workout on the weekends. So I took some pre-workout about half an hour ago, which is probably why I'm so amped right now, just to see if that makes my headache go away, because then if it does, then I can say definitively that on the weekends I'm getting caffeine like withdrawals, in which case I'll like supplement it in some way. I forgot to vlog my gift, but you can see what that is and what that is and then what that is. I forgot to vlog it before I wrapped it. Yeah, I'll show you it again because I think I'm going to buy exactly this for my work Secret Santa. My wrapping paper also ripped, so I'm real angry. I don't know if you can, no, he's about to leave. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this bug is my least favorite. Oh, he's gone. Okay, well that was tragic, but he's my least favorite bug and he comes out at Christmas time and he is just the devil. I'm just working on the ham. Looks very ugly and pasty right now, like me. And the glaze and the potatoes. This is the Christmas recipe that Mum's using for the ham. If you guys wanted to see it, feel free to screenshot. I'm on my phone, by the way, because my camera's dead. And I've got all of our little numbers ready for Dirty Santa, whatever it's called.
You can't swap. I mean, look at these. You can swap if you like to swap, but it's part of the game. Show us.
Yeah, bring it up.
What's in here?
I've got to open it first.
The kids will probably want to do Secret Santa next time, eh?
Yeah!
Sounds like alcohol.
It's stress balls.
There's a bunch of balls.
Oh, wow. Thingy.
I think you rolled the top roll. You're like,
And
mattress. Pillow.
gym towel, yeah, really.
Oh, Mum,
Gym.
yeah.
Wow! inflatable boxing boy. Yoo-hoo!
So I'm just heading off from family Christmas. It's obviously nighttime, so apologies for the lighting. I am not naked, by the way. I'm wearing my dress. I've just taken off the sleeves because I was in the sun. Such a good time. I really liked doing Dirty Santa or whatever you want to call it. That was a lot of fun. I didn't really vlog that much because I was just enjoying the time with my family, but I did try to get a couple of clips so that you guys kind of like knew what was going on.